All right, fundamentals. Not going to skip them. Here we go. All right, this is the Tuesday session. We are going to start with our long tones as we always do, but today we're going to do all of them in half notes instead of in whole notes. 1, 2, ready. Now we're going to go straight down the page in the long tones, all four of them, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, and 1, 2, half notes. B, 1, 2 on 1B, and half notes. All right, 1C, same idea. And 1, 2, 1C, and one, 2, 1D, and okay, that's the end of our long tone sequence. Then we'll go on to our warm-up sets. On Tuesday's woodwinds, we're going to slur 2, tongue 2. And 1, 2, ready. 3, option 4. Set 3, option 4. And 1, 2. Change the metronome and we'll do our concert F articulation drill. Okay, 1 and 2 and articulations ready. Okay, our daily scale procedure. Remember, I'm just going to play each scale once, and then you can pause it after each scale and play the scale that you want to play the scale. But the important thing is that you just run the scales every day. All right, concert B flat. 1, 2, ready. And here is concert E flat. 1, 2, ready. And of course, concert F. 1, 2, ready. Yesterday, for simple gifts, we covered the A and B parts, or the first part and second part. Today, we'll go over the C and D parts, or the third and fourth parts. So the idea is that, like all the other ensembles, you want to be able to play all of the different parts before you sit down to actually try and record it. So, 2 parts a day, and then tomorrow we practice all 4 parts, and then Thursday you put it together. So here's the C part. Once again, counting is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to count through it. However, if you would like to do that, you can pause the video and do so. Otherwise, go ahead and play along with me a few times here. 1, 2, ready. As always, you want to do multiple reps. In this case, you want to scroll back to about 10:35. 10:35 is the point where we played that, so do that 2 or 3 more times. Much like the other 3 parts, the 4th part, again, very straightforward. Nothing crazy rhythmically in here. Just make sure you count through your rests. As before, I recommend you play through it at least 3 or 4 times, and then sit. We're not going to record today. Okay, so practice this line. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. The review point for the 4th part, or the D part, is 11:59. And go back and hit that a couple more times, and then you are good for today. See you tomorrow.